Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly visit my previous lecture videos on introduction to complex numbers. Why? Because I've dealt with questions like this into much details. So today we are just going to employ certain antics, certain tricks, certain hints in solving this problem. Now the first strategy is this: whenever you have a negative sign in the square root sign or the radical sign, okay, because of the presence of the negative inside the radical sign, you always add or attach to the number the imaginary unit. What do I mean? When writing the number, you have to attach I to it. This is just a simple trick. So for example, if I write this square root of 25, do you have I there? No. Do you have negative sign inside the radical sign? No. So clearly, this is This is 5. Do you have negative inside this? Yes. See, it's inside the radical sign, right? So I'll just write my 5 over here. Because of the negative inside, okay, I'll add my I over here. As simple as that. Do you have negative inside the radical sign? No. Do you get that? So I'll just write I have my negative 5 over here. Negative because of the negative outside, right? And this is equal to, do you have negative inside the radical sign? Yes. So I have I have my 5 I here. And because of the presence of of this negative, right? Of this negative, I'll add my negative. If you want the full and detailed tutorials, visit Introduction to Complex Numbers. Search for Tindanious Maths and Science tutorials. Just go to my playlist. You will see calculus, functions, and complex numbers. Click on complex numbers and go down. You will see Introduction to Complex Numbers. And that is all. Thank you.